Hello, aspiring Python enthusiast. I'm Ihsan Irari and I'm thrilled to welcome you to a journey of programming mastery. With over a decade of experience in various programming domains, I have witnessed the incredible power and flexibility that Python brings to the table. Whether you're a beginner eager to explore the basics or an experienced coder looking to delve into advanced Python topics, this is the place for you. We will unravel the secrets behind complex algorithms, build robust applications, and explore the limitless possibilities that Python offers. I believe in making learning a dynamic and enjoyable experience. So, get ready for an exciting adventure into the art of Python programming. Whether you are aiming to enhance your career, work on exciting projects, or simply satisfy your curiosity, I am here to guide you every step of the way. So, join me in this Python mastery journey. Together, let's unlock the true potential of your coding skills. I can't wait to see what we'll create together. Don't miss out this opportunity. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let's dive into the world of Python together. I will see you in the next video.